How to speed up your shared hosting server with Varnish Cache. In the world of web hosting, a server's performance plays a critical role in a website's success. Apart from hardware optimizations and software tweaks, caching is one more way to enhance a site's performance. Here's how you can speed up your shared hosting server and your site with Varnish caching. Install Varnish first. Make sure that you install Varnish before installing applications like Apache, Nginx, IIS and others. It reroutes all HTTP requests from a browser to Varnish, which then serves the requested content from its cache. Varnish is threaded. Varnish is threaded and has been known to handle over 200,000 requests per second on a single instance. With such a high throughput capacity, it adds a burst of speed to your website's performance when properly configured. Varnish is extendable. Varnish can be extended via VMODS modules that use standard C libraries to give it more capabilities. These powerful modules add more functionalities to Varnish, which enable it to perform complex operations easily and improve performance. Use Varnish Configuration Language (VCL). Using VCL, Varnish's own domain-specific language, you can configure it to quite an extent. You can improve the performance of your website manyfold by manipulating specific parameters. Reduce page load times. When Varnish caching is deployed, it reduces your server's response time by 3 to 4 times. With this faster response time, the requested web page loads faster in the user's browser. HostGator's shared hosting plans come pre-enabled with Varnish caching for blazing fast performance. Gain complete control with the powerful cPanel and support for advanced programming and databases.